Hi guys, it's me Zani and welcome back to my channel. Well, today's vlog is all about a mix of rice harvesting, visiting my cousin's place for dinner, and ending the day by attending church. It's going to be a wholesome and peaceful day filled with village life, good food, family time, and faith. So before we head to the field, let's bake some food so that we can have there. And this is a special hot case that we use it while going for field. And let's clean some vegetables. That's onion, cabbage, and green chili to make salad. And before we headed to the field, my dad he decided to catch some fish. So here I am recording and capturing him what he loves to do, and it's always exciting to watch him what he loves to do. And that's the first catch, fresh fish straight from the fishery pond. And this is what my dad's fishery ponds look like. And after packing the food and catching the fish, now we are heading back to the rice field, and that's my family. Since my brother was driving, I thought of recording it as well. And finally, after a ride, we have reached the field. Let me show you how it looks like.
어떻게 전화인데 그 뽕을 넣어야 돼. ini 쏟아서 애원도도
And that's us heading back to our home. And that's my dad. Followed by my mother.
Hi.
And that's Munju.
Kunjun.
And last but not the least, my baby brother Konjunru.
보려는 뭐 같이 나가는
And after coming back from the field, we went to my cousin's place for dinner, and here we are.
Hi. Let me show you my mother flower. My mother green blue. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Bye bye.
And here she was unboxing the baby clothes, so I thought of recording it as well as this.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye bye.
And since the dinner was done, here we are ready to eat That's the local rice, boil and chutney. And that's aloo fry, or yeah, potato fry. And here comes the main ingredient, that is pork. And this bag is from Savannah. I'm still a bit confused whether to wear this bag or the other one. The other one is also from Savannah, you can check it out. I feel like the second option goes well with my outfit, so I decided to wear this bag. And here we are ready to attend the service. And that's the end of my vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share.